are studying water quality and non-point water pollution, which is pollution that gets into our water, but we cannot pinpoint the source, such as fertilizer from a farm, sediment from runoff from a construction site, and so on. Last week, we tested Spout Run for nitrates, phosphates, pH, turbidity, and dissolved oxygen, and coliform. Nitrates and phosphates come from agricultural runoff and animal waste. pH can be affected by acid rain. Turbidity can be affected by sediment runoff. Students tested samples from the stream and tested each in small groups by the stream. They used a color chart to find the pH, nitrate, phosphate, and dissolved oxygen levels. Based on the results, our stream is quite healthy, although there looks like there might be some coliform, which is bacteria from the animal waste. This is not surprising considering we live in such a high agricultural area with lots of cattle. When the COVID restrictions first came out for schools, I was unsure of how we would continue to give students the collaborative, hands-on experience that we treasure here at Powhatan so much. I love how we really take the outdoor learning spaces to the next level. With all of our natural resources on campus, we're able to provide these opportunities and activities and get students excited about learning.